TVX is the name given to a low-definition CCTV system that operates when an intruder alarm detector triggers and then transmits 4 views of the detection area to the central station, thus enabling the operator to positively identify whether the alarm call was false or not. What are the component parts of the system? First, we have the camera itself, which is powered by the 12-volt alarm supply. Next, we have the strobe unit. This is triggered by the camera and enables the camera to see in the dark. This is also powered from the 12-volt alarm supply. Next, we have the compressor. This will store the 4 images from the camera that has been triggered and hold them until a communication channel has been established between the subscriber's premises and the central station. The compressor can handle up to 8 cameras in its standard form and 16 or 24 with add-on boards. Finally, we have the modem, which replaces the existing digital communicator. Initially, it acts as a standard digital communicator, but then stays on the phone line to transmit the 4 pictures held in the compressor. At the central station, there is a receiver modem that collects the alarm call and the 4 pictures. A personal computer is used to display both the subscriber's details and the 4 video frames in a scrolling mode. An RS-232 output is available to enable the TVX system to be integrated into any other central station monitoring system. But due to the number of different operating systems, our system ends at the PC. Let us now take a typical alarm system and modify it to accept TVX. This block diagram represents a system with 3 PIRs. To convert it into TVX, we must add the following equipment and wiring. Let us see how we will go about this. First, we will remove the existing communicator and replace it with the compressor modem unit. We will then wire the outputs from the control unit to the inputs of the modem, just like the communicator we have just removed. The telecom line is connected to the modem, and in addition to the 12-volt supply, a switched positive supply must be connected so that the compressor will only store pictures when a space detector triggers during the on condition. Now we must add a camera strobe unit adjacent to each space detector. To do this, we remove the PIR, replace it with the camera strobe unit, connect the wire that went to the PIR to the top of the strobe unit, then refit the PIR below it. Connect a short piece of 6-core cable between the strobe and the PIR. Run a twin-screened cable from the top of the strobe unit to the compressor. Finally, we check the camera's field of view by inserting the lead from the TV monitor into the jack at the bottom of the strobe. The camera has been designed so that the field of view should correspond to that seen by the PIR. Let us now see how the system will work in practice. The subscriber will set his panel, as in previous occasions, and leave. Later, a false alarm occurs. The PIR triggers the TVX camera, which activates the strobe. 4 shots of the scene are sent to the compressor, where they are stored. At the same time, the PIR also triggers the control panel in the normal way. And the alarm call is sent to the central station. Thereafter, the 4 camera shots are sent via the modem to the central station. The camera shots are viewed on the screen, and the operator sees the cause of the alarm and does not report it to the police. The control panel automatically resets. Later, a genuine break-in occurs. Again, the PIR triggers the TVX camera, which activates the strobe. 4 shots of the scene are sent to the compressor, where they are stored. At the same time, the PIR triggers the control panel. The alarm call is sent to the central station, and the 4 camera shots are again sent via the modem to the central station. The camera shots, this time of the intruder, are viewed on the screen. This time, the operator sees the cause of the alarm and immediately alerts the police to the fact that he has seen intruders on the premises. Visual alarm verification can be easily and quickly added to any existing alarm installation and should form part of all your new installations.
Alarm verification is only one of the alarm enhancement functions that can be accomplished by TVX. TVX, through the application of more precision lens systems, can accomplish other functions where identification level pictures are required. Applications such as panic and hold-up alarm monitoring, access control where pictures are wanted, ATM machines, outdoor protection areas, and observation of industrial functions and controls are also within the capability of TVX. Here are some examples of TVX capabilities with the optional cameras. Happy Tom. This is a picture taken with a 16mm C-mount lens at a distance of approximately 12 feet. You can see that this individual can easily be identified. By using different lenses, the area of coverage can be expanded. Also notice that movement can be shown. 4 distinct pictures are taken and can be sequenced by the operator. Fuji. This picture shows the capability of TVX in a total overview situation. Also notice how sharpening and enhancing the picture expands the amount of visual information that is available to the viewer. Dark fill. The first all-black image is what was taken by the standard 900 camera when a strobe light failed to operate. However, notice how the image of fill was brought out of the black by using the enhance function. This is another major advantage of TVX digital processing of picture information. This picture is also interesting because it was taken with a simple verification lens. TVX can do the job in any application where pictures are needed from a remote location at the time of an occurrence over the regular switched telephone or cellular network. TVX pictures can easily be transmitted over the cellular network, so TVX functions can be available in any location. Let's review how Securus TVX will enhance your alarm service with C capability, a whole new dimension. TVX provides greater information, improved service, and safety. TVX provides a broader reporting scope. TVX reduces nuisance alarms. More information is obtained before dispatching authorities or other forms of help. A higher total confidence in the capability of your alarm system can alleviate the potential for false alarm fines and penalties. TVX improves team participation. Excellence in alarm service is achieved through the efforts of the alarm system installer, monitoring central station, and police authorities. TVX assures that each segment of the total alarm response team has the maximum amount of accurate information that is available from the protected premise. With this plus information, they can render the highest level of service to protect you and your possessions. Ask your professional security consultant to discuss the plus capabilities of a Securus TVX visual verification system with you.